Now, so the counters and classifiers for object or pieces is ke. Okay, example, there are 3 apple. Sagwa yung noun. Okay, ang classification niya is ke. So, ke is for the object or pieces. 안녕하세요. 네, 채널이 오신 것을 환영합니다. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you can click the subscribe button, the bell button, then choose all to get notified in all the videos I'm going to upload. Alright, so our topic is Korean language or Korean counters and classifiers. Okay, so what is noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, things, or an animals. Okay, pangalan. Ang counters naman is used to classify the noun in the sentence. Okay? For example, okay, backpack. Ano ba yung classification ng backpack or where it belongs? Bag. Okay? So, noun is backpack. Okay? Ang classification niya or bag. It's the same with the luggage. Ang classification is bag. Okay? Cat belongs to animals or the classification is animals. Okay? For example, banana. So, the classification of banana is plant. Okay? Now, so the counters and classifiers for object or pieces is ke. Okay, example, there are 3 apple. Okay, 사과가 3개 있습니다. Okay, sagwa yung noun. Okay, ang classification niya is ke. So, ke is for the object or pieces. Okay, there are 3 pieces of apple. Alright? Now, for the people, meron tayong 3 klase. The first is honorific. Pag tumutukoy ka sa mga nakakatanda, ganon sa elders. So, there are 2 grandmothers. Kay 할머니가 2분 있습니다. So, 할머니 is the grandmother. And classification niya belongs to 분 kasi they are elders. Alright? Now, we can use them yung naman for formal form. For example, there are 2 students. Okay? So, student is 학생. 학생에 2명 있습니다. So, 2 student. Student 명 is people. Okay? Kung informal naman, for example, you are just telling 2 men. Okay? When I say, 2 tao, 2 lalaki. 2 saram. Okay? 2 saram. 2 mama. Now, biyong for battle. Okay, there are 5 barrel of beer. 맥주가 5 병 있습니다. Okay, so we have here the byung for the barrel. 장 for paper or piece of paper. So 1 piece of paper. 중에 한 장이에요. Okay, 군 for the book. So I have 4 books. 제게 4권 있어요. 자로 for the long object. So kagaya ng pala, there are 2 shovel. Kay sabi, 2 자루 있습니다. 잔 for the cup or glasses. Yung mga mug. Okay, kapihan, 2 cup of coffee please. Kupit, 2 잔 주세요. Te for the machine. So example dito ay mga car, ganyan, or mga washing machine. There are 6 car. 자동차가 6대 있어요. So, kuro for the trees or yung mga nabubuhay na halaman. There are 3 banana trees. Okay, banana 나무, si kuro 있어요. So, banana tree is banana 나무. Sunge is for the branches or mga bulaklak, ganyan. Okay, for example, there are 3 flowers. So, dalawang piraso ay 3 piraso ng bulaklak or isang bugkos ng bulaklak, 3 bugkos ng bulaklak. Okay? 끝에 세 송이 있습니다. Okay, cup for the small boxes or mga pakete. There are 2 packs of chocolate. Chocolate 2 cup 있어요. 상자, ito na for the large boxes. Beyond small is large. There are 4 boxes. Kaya 네 상자 있습니다. Pag tumukay ka na ng sangja, ibig sabihin ang box nun ay malaki na. You don't need to use the word big or large. Consider na yan, malaking box yan. Okay, mare for animals. We have 5 dogs. Okay, so ang we is optional, yung mga I, ganyan. Okay, yung mga she, optional. Pwede ka nang dumiretso sa sentence mo. 키가. So, kids dog, 키가 5 마리였습니다. Se for the age. Okay? Kung ang ginagamit mong number ay say na Korean number, okay? So, ang ginagamit na counter for age is se. 17 years old. 17세요. Okay? 17세요. Kung halimbawa ang pure Korean number naman ang gamit mo, you have to use the counter sal. Most commonly used is sal. Okay, so I am 17 years old or I'm 17 years old. 저는 17살입니다. So, Q is for the pair. So, minsan, pair of shoes or pair of umbrella or, pair of umbrella? Pair of socks. 3 pairs of shoes. Okay, 신발 세 켤레입니다. 퉁. Okay, this is for the telegram, phone calls, messages, or emails. Okay, for example, I have 3 phone calls. 툰와 시tam 있어요. Okay? Bun naman is for the number. When you say number 1, number 2, number 3, so ginagamit natin ay sign na Korean number. Now, for example, number 1. So, number 1 ay 1번. Okay, number 2, 2번. Number 3, 3번. Okay? Magpuproceed pa ka pa sa 4, 4번. Okay? Okay, for more topics and more videos, you can check my playlist. Okay, so meron na tayo dyang mga naka-group na mga topic. Thank you for watching and see you again on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell button.